Thinking about purchasing an oceanfront condo in the Myrtle Beach area? Before you make that offer, let us fill you in on what you need to know about HO6 insurance.
Most of the oceanfront condo buildings along the Grand Strand have your building insurance covered either within your HOA fees or as a separate regular assessment.
That's right. But when you find out that the building insurance is covered, this does not mean that the things within your condo are insured or that you are protected should something happen within your property. Because of this, most HOAs, rental companies, and lenders will require you to carry an HO6 insurance policy, and they will typically have minimum requirements that you will have to meet.
In a nutshell, HO6 condo insurance will protect your unit specifically and all of its contents, and it will also provide liability coverage, loss of use coverage, and more.
Do you have a renovated condo? You want to make sure that you increase the value of your insurance policy to cover everything.
Have anything valuable in your condo? Well, then you need to be sure that you're covered against theft or vandalism.
Are you renting your condo out? You need to ensure that you are protected from liability if someone is injured while visiting or staying there.
Exactly. Look, we're on the coast, and hurricanes are a real possibility. So what if you have damage to your condo that prevents you from renting it out or living there? Well, in that case, you need to make sure that your HO6 policy has loss of use coverage.
What about wind and hail, wind-driven rain, or flood coverage? Be sure to ask your insurance agent about these coverage options for your policy as well.
What if the HOA building insurance policy doesn't cover the entirety of a repair? Well, loss assessment coverage on your HO6 policy will help cover additional costs that you could incur because of this.
Another consideration on the oceanfront, which is a prime environment for mold, is to ask your HO6 policy will cover mold remediation.
That's super important. These are just some of the things that you should ask your insurance agent about when getting your HO6 insurance policy.
Typical HO6 policies range from $500 to $1,400 per year, depending on your coverage items and the limits. So when you are thinking about making an offer on that oceanfront condo, it is important to find out if HO6 insurance is covered within your regular assessments or if you will be required to carry your own policy. If it is not handled through the HOA, which is most likely the case, be sure to include this in your numbers when you are putting together your budget for the property.
Of course, we are realtors, not insurance agents. So if you have additional questions about HO6 insurance, or if you need a quote, email us and we'll send you a list of local insurance companies that offer HO6 insurance policies, and that we'd be more than happy to help you.
If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel as we release new videos each week that you won't want to miss. And also, we want to hear from you. Let us know any topics you would like to see us cover in the comments below.